Hey YouTube, what's up? Hope you are having a great day. I just want to give you an update on the acerola cherry. I've been posting quite a bit about it lately, but we have got cherries already turning red. I have eaten two of them. The first one, I was too excited and picked it way too early. The second one, I waited and it was actually delicious, really sweet, just like you would expect a cherry to be. But this is the Barbados cherry. I'm gonna eat these cherries as soon as they're a little bit darker red, and the last one that I ate was pretty sweet, so I'm looking forward to those as well. There was about 10 cherries on the plant right now, and so that was about 12 cherries in all. For a first year, not too bad. I fully understand this is probably gonna just grow in the yield every single year, so I have hopes. I'm just excited to get anything off of these plants here. But if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're growing the acerola cherry yourself, tell us so in the comments below. Let us know how you like the plant. And if you like this video and want to share it with your friends, we definitely appreciate that. And we look forward to putting out more videos for you here. Any questions or comments, push them my way and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.